Hello students, welcome to topuseducation.com. In this video, we are going to discuss some tricks to solve the square of a number. Continuation to the previous video, and this is the another method to solve square of a number. Now let us see. Now we have 50 base method. Let us see first 50 base method. In 50 base method, the base value is 50. Now let us see one example, that is 52 whole square. Here in this, first we should do 2 square. 2 and 2. 2 square is 4. We know that 2 square is 4. 4 is a single digit and we should write 0, 4. And here 5 square is 25. 5 square is 25. And again plus 2. Here is 2. This 2 to be added to this 25. That equals to 27. Here 27. 52 whole square is 2704. Now let us see another thing, that is 53 whole square. Similar to above, that is 3 square is 9 and 0 to be written. 5 square is 25 and 25 is again added to here. Ones place term, that is 25 plus 3, that is 28. And again see 56 whole square, that is here 6 square is 36. Here we get 2 digits, so no 0 to be added, directly 36 to be written. And 5 square is 25. 25 plus 6, here is 6, ones place. 25 plus 6 is 31. And the square of 56 is 31, 36 and 57 whole square. Here 7 square is 7 into 7, 49. And now 5 square is 25. 25 plus 7, 32. 3249. And this is the one method. Now let us see another examples. Up to now we have seen from 50 to 60. Now above 60 we should do second thing. 62 whole square shall we take. As I said above, this is a 50 base method, so base value is 50. And now here 62 can be written as 50 plus 12. 50 plus 12 is 62. And now we should take here this difference 12 square to be taken 144. And here according to take 2 square, in the above we have taken ones place unit square, that is 7 square equal to 49. And now here we shouldn't take this 2 square directly because it is a 50 base method. So we should take 50 plus 12 is difference. So we should take 12 square equals to 144. And again now 6 square equals to 36 plus here is 2, that is 38. That equals to 38. Now 62 whole square equals to this 38, and from this 144 just 44 to be written. 62 whole square equals to 3844. Now let us see another, that is 64 whole square, that equals to, here 64 can be written as 50 plus 14. Here 50 is the base value. That's why we should take 50 plus 14. And now 14 whole square to be taken. 14 whole square is 196. And 6 whole square 36 plus here 4 is there. 36 plus 4 40. And now 64 whole square is 4096. 40 is this and this 96 from 196. This one is left off. And similarly now we have seen 50 plus terms. Now let us see 50 minus terms. That is, now let us see 50 below terms. That is, one example is 47 whole square. Here 47 base value to be 50 is first step, and second step is difference between given number 3, and third step is this difference is to be added to constant term, that is 25. Here 25 to be taken as constant term and this difference to be added to this 25. Here is minus 3, that is 25 minus 3 22. And fourth step is we should take the difference whole square, that is 3 square equals to 9. Here is one digit, so we should add 0 9. Now 47 whole square equals to 0 9, and this 22 to be written here. Let us see another example for full clarification. If you do 5 or 6 problem, you will get clarified totally. Now 44 whole square. Here base value is 50 and difference is minus 6 difference, and this difference to be added to the constant term, that is 25 minus 6 19, and 6 whole square is 36. Difference whole square, that is 6 whole square is 36, and the answer of 44 whole square is this 36 to be written here, and this constant minus difference is 1936, and 44 whole square is 1936. We should do this stepwise very quickly. And this is about the 50 base method. And now let us see 100 base method, above 100. Here is 100 base method. Now let us take one example above 100, that is 102 whole square. Here it is 102, and in 102 whole square we should take tens place, that is 2 square equals to 0 4. And now this 102 to be added to this 2 plus 2, that equals to 104. And now answer of 102 whole square equals to 10404. This to be written. Let us see another 104 whole square. In 104 whole square, 4 square is 16, and this 104 again added to 4. 104 plus 4 equals to 108, and this to be written 104 whole square equals to 10816. And similarly another one, that is 107 whole square. Here 7 square is 49, and 107 is added to 7. 107 plus 7, that is 114, and 107 whole square equals to 14049. This is of the sum of problems in 100 base method from 100 to 110. Now let us see above 110, that is 112 whole square. In 112 whole square, it is here 100 plus 12. Here base is 100 and this 12 whole square to be taken. We know that 12 whole square equals to 144, and now again this 112 added to 12, that is 124. 112 plus 12 equals to 124. From this 112 whole square equals to, first in this 144, 44 to be written and 1 is carry forwarded. 124 plus 1 is 125, and this is 112 whole square equals to 125 44. Let's see another one, that is 150 whole square. That is from this 100 plus 15, it is 115. Let us take 15 whole square. 115 whole square equals to, 15 whole square is 225. From this 225, only 25 to be taken here and 2 is carry forwarded, and again 115 added to the 15, that is 130, and 130 and carry is 2, 130 plus 2, 132, and this is 115 whole square equals to 132 25, and this is the 100 base method. And from 50 to 100 we can take 50 base method, and from 100 above we can take 100 base method. And these are some of the tricks to solve squaring of a number very fastly and quickly. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get the channel notifications.